Okay, visual limits. So we've talked about the format here of what this means. If you ever see something like this, it means to go towards 0 from the positive side. So as you move that way, what's happening? From the right side, attack it from the right side. And if you see this, then it means as you move to it from the left, the negative side. If you don't see that, it means that you have to attack it from both directions. Okay? Okay? So here we go. The first question says, the limit of this graph as you head towards the value 1. So this would be me traveling along the road. So I'm like along a little meandering path. As I go to 1 that way, as I go to 1 that way, is there a conclusive height that I'm reaching? 2. As I move towards 2, so again from both directions, so if I move along the path, and then if I move along the path trying to meet, is there a conclusive height that I got towards? 2 point something? 2 point whatever. I'm just going to go 2.75. Okay, 4. As you move along the path, so I'm going to go both sides, so let's go this way. As you move towards 4 this way, the path is doing what? As I move towards 4, what's my path doing? Higher and higher, which as a number is infinite. As I move towards 4, what's the path doing on this side? Getting higher and higher, infinite. Is there a conclusion? Yeah. Infinite. Because it both went positive infinite. What about me heading towards -2? So on this path, when I go towards -2, where am I headed? Negative infinity. And as I head towards -2 this way, positive infinity. Are you concluding something similar? No. So there's no limit on that one. Because one went to negative infinity and one went to positive infinity. That's not a conclusive result. Okay, as you head towards 0 from the right side path. So here's me traveling on the path. As I head towards 0, what do I get towards? The y of 1. That answer is 1. This says I have to travel towards 0 from the left-hand pathway. So that would be me following here. As these numbers head towards 0, 0, 0, my height is going to head towards 3. So what's a conclusion if I ask the limit as you just head towards 0 from both directions? One side headed towards 1, and one side headed towards 3. So now the whole limit is, there's no limit on that then. Because there's no conclusion of the same result from both directions. One path went one way and another went to something different, so then there's no limit. Okay, so that's it. So if you go different numbers from the two directions, there's no conclusion, there's no limit.